Welcome, design and marketing people. It's about time to make things clear. I'm going to explain to you what is the difference between a standalone landing page and a landing page on a website. Let's get rid of all doubts once and for all. I'm Jay Webski, your digital marketing buddy. According to the essential definition of a landing page, which I brought to you in one of my other episodes, by the way, you can find it out here. I will also put the link in the description of this episode. Every page within a website visited as the first one during a session is a landing page. Hate it or love it, but this is how it is. You can also spot this in the Universal Analytics report from Google, which will display all the pages within your domain visited as the first ones. Sadly, most of the time, it's also the last visit. So after getting through this page or not, your visitors will just leave the website. Let's find out what might be the reason for that. This is an example of a standalone landing page and a subpage within a website. Okay, so here's the website and the page within the website. As you can see, I've picked a subpage dedicated to motorcycle insurance policy. As you can see, a lot of stuff is going on here. We've got all the navigation bar with all the different links and offers. So a lot of things we can actually click on and just easily get distracted. As you can see, we can choose our location, switch language, log in to the platform or search for something. Of course, we got the call to action, but as you can see, there's a lot of things going on here. Beneath that, we've got more links so I can explore motorcycle policy. But let's move on. When I scroll down, more information, more links. I don't know where to click on really. So it's good the call to action is repeated. We've got a video over here. More links, more information. We've got the FAQ section. More content related to motorcycles and motorcycle insurance policy. And then of course a footer with all the links, another call to action. So as you can see, a lot of stuff is going on here, so I could easily get distracted on this page. As you can see, there are many ways you can go through this website. This can be very distracting, not to mention that the visitor could easily forget why they even entered this page. Now, let's take a look at the landing page. And I'm not talking about one that is within a website, but a standalone landing page that is designed to convert. So on the other hand, we've got this landing page also related to motorcycle insurance policy. As you can see, this page is way more simple. So we've got only one section, so one screen. We can see the whole page at once, nothing more here. Here's the heading telling us what is the value and what will happen after we fill out this form and why should we fill it, so we'll get a massive discount. A clear call to action, simple form. All we can do on this page is actually fill out this form. We can also check more information, which is nicely packed in this tab on the right. Plus, there is a phone number for those who don't want to fill out the form. They can easily just click on the phone number straight from their mobile and get on the phone on the line with the consultant or agent. As you can see, also the logo of the company has been moved beneath the form, not to distract the visitor at the first sight when they visit the page. As you can see, this page is way more simple. It's focused on one product. There is no navigation bar at the top and just a few things you can click on. This page was built to make you perform just one action, so filling out the form. Can you see the difference? Of course, the context of usage and the purpose of a standalone landing page and the page within the website are quite different. First, a page within a website needs to be loaded with information and a huge amount of links, even because of the SEO goals. This is how it works. And probably some of the pages within a website wouldn't even become landing pages if they were built differently. But you can't blame them, as their goal was to acquire as much organic traffic as possible. There are, however, some ways to optimize this kind of page to be more conversion-oriented. One of them is the content upgrade tactic, which I described in this episode. I'll also send you the link in the description of this episode. Unlike the website, a standalone landing page has only one goal: to convert the visitor into a lead or a customer. This is where landing pages beat regular websites. But you may ask, how should I know when to use a landing page and when to use a website? Everything comes down to the context and the goal of each marketing activity you take. Expanding content on your website and getting more links will boost your SEO effects and increase your organic traffic. Although this is not a clear path for converting your visitors. But if you know from where someone is clicking the link that drives them to your page, you should always direct them to a landing page after they read your ad, your email, or your social media post. And I don't mean a generic landing page, but personalized and tailor-made to sustain your visitors' interest and build their desire. After all, it's about moving your target audience down your marketing funnel and converting them into leads and customers. So I believe now the picture is a little bit brighter for you guys. So you can tell the difference between a standalone landing page and a landing page on a website. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about it. Or maybe you see it differently. I'd like to know that as well. If you like the content I create, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you soon.